It's really cold outside. Go grab your Instapots. We're gonna make some soup. Alright, welcome back. You guys got your Instapots ready to go? It's cold outside. We're gonna make a really quick soup here. Ron works outside all day and he's really hungry, so we gotta get this going. So we're gonna start with, it's gonna be a chicken salsa soup. It's gonna have shredded chicken in it. And what we're gonna do is, the thing I love about the Instapot is you can use frozen chicken. And this will be ready really quick. So we got about a pound of chicken, we've got 8 cups of chicken broth, we've got salsa, we've got cheese, we've got 2 bricks of cream cheese, and we've got our different seasonings. If you don't have a whole bunch of seasonings, what you can also do is use a taco seasoning mix. That one almost flew away.
That must be fresh chicken.
It's fresh chicken, it almost flew away. Alright, so we got our chicken. Got our chicken broth. This also is keto friendly. You just want to check your ingredients because things like chicken broth sometimes have sugar in them, amazingly enough. And the things like taco seasoning might have, if you substitute taco seasoning, that could have sugar in it also. So I've actually found the low sodium chicken broths tend to have sugar in them. I don't know why. Alright, so we got a jar. It's a 24-ounce jar. We're using the medium. You can use whatever hotness you like. If you like your stuff spicier, get the spicier. If you like it mild, get the mild. It's gonna be like ketchup. It's not gonna come out, really. Alright, so then you want to add your seasonings. We've got pepper. Again, I never measure anything. A little bit of cayenne pepper. Very little. I don't like our stuff really hot. A little bit of chili pepper in there. Chili powder. Garlic powder. Salt. Parsley. Cumin and coriander. Mix that up a little bit so it's not all on top. Close our lid, do our pressure, turn our Instapot on, and we're going to put it on for 20 minutes. 20 minutes on high pressure. Once it's done with that, we're going to let it go a 10-minute release and then we'll finish it up. So we cooked our soup for 20 minutes and we let it naturally release for 10 minutes. So now we're going to take the chicken out of it, put it in a bowl so that we can shred it all up. Okay, so we got our 2 bricks of cream cheese. I cut them up into pieces. I've let them sit on the counter and soften them. But I've learned since I started making this soup, it's better to throw it in the microwave for about between 30 seconds and a minute and soften it up even more because it makes this next step even quicker. So we're going to turn our Instant Pot onto saute and we're going to mix in our cream cheese. Okay, so you want to mix it up till it's almost gone. You might still have a little bit of lumps in it, but it's mostly mixed in. And then you can shut that off. So we're just going to take forks and we're just going to shred up our chicken. We're going to put it back into the pot, mix it all up. And we're going to add some cheese to it. You can use whatever kind of cheese you want. I'm using Mexican style, which is Monterey and cheddar. Just put about a cup in there. And then mix that all up. Wish you guys could smell this. It smells fantastic. It's so easy. And there you go. It's done. All right, so there you have it, a nice, quick, easy soup on this chilly day. Hope you enjoyed this. Give us a thumbs up. Let us know how you liked it in the comments if you're going to be making this. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.